Hey guys, it's Lizzie. I am both in my pajamas and in my living room. I am in my living room because our foreign exchange student is living with us now. He was going to a college downtown, but then next fall, I guess, he's going to University of Alabama. So his apartment by downtown, the lease is up, but the one in Alabama hasn't started yet, so he's living with us. So his room is right next to mine, and it's right up against my YouTube walls, so I couldn't film the YouTube video in my room today. He's still asleep. I am joined today by a very special guest. Tiger, come here. This video is about my kitten. Say hi. So basically this video is just to brag that I have the cutest cat ever. So my kitten Tiger, I call her a kitten, she's like 5 years old. But anyway, she was the runt of the litter. She was tiny and no one wanted to buy her, but she was the cutest, and my family found her and she was sleeping, and so they bought her, and now she's mine and we're buddies. Right, Tiger? No, you hate me? Okay, cool. She's fully grown, but she's substantially smaller than our other cats. Also, she can't see very good, and she cannot meow. She chirps, and she like screeches, kind of. Like, I don't really know how to describe it, but it's cute, whatever it is, so she's precious. She is also terrified of plastic bags, which is cute. And she's scared of thunderstorms and being alone. I'm so mean to her. So explaining what kind of noise she makes is extremely difficult. My family has come up with the term chirping, but I don't know, it's kind of just squeaking. So here's an example. So usually she's pretty chill, but this one time I caught her on video chasing her tail, and it was the cutest. My favorite part is when she looks away for a second and then looks back and is scared by her tail. She knows the cabinet where we keep her treats, and so whenever we open it, she comes running and she will dance for treats. Yeah? Yeah? Please? Dance for it. Good girl. Nice, Nick. This video is about Tiger. Say yeah. Oh, there's my hand. That's cute. Oh. I'm trying to give it to you. It's right there. There you go. My goodness. Yeah, okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye treats. If you're behind her and you talk to her, she sometimes looks at you upside down, and it's really cute. You're so cute. And now here's just a couple of videos of her being cute. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Are those tornado sirens? They just turned them off. Those dang tornado sirens. They need to stop. Wait, is there a tornado? Because that'd be a problem. I do live in Alabama. And then, Tiger, don't go outside. Don't, Tiger. You want to look at the camera? Tiger. No, you're just gonna purr. That's cute. You're really soft today. Just gonna lay down. Okay. It's cute. Shh. I'm making a YouTube video. She is fully grown, but she's substantially long. So usually she's pretty chill. What just happened? Yeah? You wanna be in the camera? Yeah? Be photogenic? Yeah?